I need to look for Christian, dude. I need to look for Christian. My partner. Christian! 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 Oh, shit. Christian! 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 Dude, wake up! Wake up, Christian! What? Oh! Roman? Christian!
Okay, cut it. Alright, bro, enough of that hugging, bro.
Hey, where you been, bro?
Dude, my evil twin's down here, dude.
He is?
Yeah, he gave me this sweet jacket. It's not Matt Maldonado's, but it's pretty sweet.
Oh.
But, dude, he's coming. Let's go. Cut it!
Where is he? Oh, this looks nice. What kind of brand is that? Oh, yeah, whatever.
Dude, wait.
What?
What are we running from?
Dude, my evil twin, bro. He's scary and he's big and he has a mean jawline, bro. We gotta go. Come on.
Oh, there he is. Who's he with? Hey! Where are you going?
What?
Christian! Christian! Get up! Christian! Christian, get up! Christian, get up! Bro, get out, bro! Christian! Dude, Christian! Oh! Christian! Christian!
Where is he? Where is he?
How did he die? He got hit by a train, dude. It wasn't my fault.
Oh my God!
Oh.
He's dead. I needed him. Oh.
Don't hurt me! Don't! Okay, I know, she was your girl. I'm sorry. I won't ever mess with your girl again. Don't stab me.
Don't ever touch my girl. You made out with my baby girl? Why'd you make out with her? Dude,
She was cute, right?
my nut.
Roman! 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 Oh, yeah, my revival coin!
Open up. 1, 2, 3.
One more! Oh! 4! Yeah! Roman! Oh! Dude, we gotta do our superpower. Yeah, good idea. Okay, superpower, he's coming. He's waking up. Yeah, dude, mine's a different color this time. Dude, did you do that?
Oh my God.
This comes. Okay, now let's go beat him up. Come on.
Christian, go over there.
Oh, you!
What's this, huh? What's this?
Hey, chill.
Christian! Christian, give me the gun! Give me the gun!
These days.
Who do I shoot?
Shoot him!
I can't get a good shot.
I can't
get him.
Shoot
I
him!
can't get a good shot, Christian.
Shoot him in the balls!
Oh my God. Christian, I
Shoot
can't.
him in the balls!
Go!
Yeah!
Oh my
Yeah.
God, dude, my baby.
We did it. We did it.
Dude,
We did it. We got Bronson.
Dude, I didn't tell you earlier, bro. I stole his girl.
You stole his girl?
Yeah, because he's bad with girls. I'm better than him, you know? Yeah. And he's evil.
Yeah,
So
he's evil.
we killed him.
He looks like a bug.
Yeah, hella, yeah, he looks like a bug.
looks like a
Look
bug.
like I'm on a bug.
Like a bug.
Oh.
Yeah, he looks like a bug.
Man, look at this train.
This
No
dip is
better
slowing
way.
down. There's no, yeah.
Yeah, hey, let's run.
Yeah,
Let's run.
let's dip.
Come on, let's run this way. Come on, go this way.
Dude, he got hit by.
Is he dead? Why is he dead?
He needs his nuts.